Kimi K3 from Moonshot AI is a 2.8 trillion parameter open source model. Right now, it's the largest open source model and words are finally available on Hugging Face. The problem is, it's still hard to figure out where you can actually use it for free. In today's video, I will show you 2 free ways to try Kimi K3. The first way is through Hugging Face. Just open the Kimi K3 model page, click use this model and then select Hugging Chat. That's it, you can start using Kimi K3 for free without any subscription. If you're on the free plan, though, you might hit a rate limit after a while. It depends on how much you're using it, so just keep that in mind. The second way is through Token Router. This one gives you a free API endpoint for Kimi K3 so you can use it directly inside your Versus code. First, go to the API keys page and create a new API key. Copy the key, then open Versus code. Open the model selector, go to model settings and click add new model. Choose custom endpoint, name it Kimi K3, paste your API key, select chat completions and add the model ID, model name and URL. Also set the vision to false, then save the file. Now select the Kimi K3 model. So that's how you can use Kimi K3 for free. You don't need a subscription or even a credit card to try it. Just keep in mind that both of these are free options, so you might hit a rate limit or sometimes a request might fail. They are not really meant for heavy use, but they are great if you just want to test the model or try it out. If this helps, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.